Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ron. This is my bonus page review of the Holiday Gold Rush. It's a program created by Bill, Spencer, and Will. They're all part of a group I'm part of, amazing guys, and he came up with something that's really good, the Holiday Gold Rush program here. Now we're going to go on my bonus page here for you guys when you decide to purchase through me. And nice logo here with Santa Claus, that's me. In the background, I'm from Canada, so you see some snow there. And very quick, easy $50 to $100, $130 Gold Rush method. Backed by a lot of proof, it's 100% newbie friendly. It's a unique twist that no one else is doing, and you want to get some profits here really quick for the holiday season. That's why it's called the Holiday Gold Rush. So you set it up, you implement it, you get things going, you start getting some easy, quick paydays, and before you know it, you'll have something ready for the holidays, whether it's gifts or a gift for yourself or whatever the case may be. You maybe pay some bills or whatnot. Extra cash flow for Christmas. So front end product here is $7.95. It'll go up $12.95, and kind of go over what's included here with the step-by-step training. And bonus number one is a do-it-for-yourself list of Gold Rush connections. And Will has his own little group here. I'm guessing that he's setting up where you guys get to network together. Networking's very powerful. I highly encourage that you get it. So it's included for free, $97 value. This one here, bonus number two, once again, this is for free. This is the 5K Gold Rush funnel. Now basically he's going to go over setting up something that's really simple. It's nothing too crazy fancy, but it's probably optimized based on what I'm seeing here, where you're going to start generating some really good profits here, right? And it's made him over 5K so far. That's pretty good money right there. So OTO number one, after you purchase the front end product, is a super simple $300 a day method. It's going to go for 27 bucks. I actually paid $47 for this. Now these methods here, I actually bought this. These methods here will show you how to get some really quick and easy cash once you have things set up. It complements Holiday Gold Rush perfectly. And OTO number two is full reseller rights to Holiday Gold Rush for $47. I really highly recommend that you guys get this, because if you do, you'll have 100% commissions, across everything. So front end product, super simple method, the full reseller rights, 27 for OTO number 3 and 4. So really good for, what is it, I believe $47. Now OTO number 3 is how to bank insane 5-figure days. Now this system here is a unique system developed by Bill and Spencer. Usually this stuff is only taught and revealed to people in their groups. I'm one of them and actually paid quite a bit for this. So this stuff costs $300 to $400 or $500 just to get in to learn these methods. They're giving it to you for $27 there. So OTO number 4 is a simple buyers list building method. Now this here is going to show you how the money's in the list, how you get leads and build your list of people that really trust and confide in you in terms of having something where they want offers promoted to them, right? So, and email lists as well. So really good stuff here. $12. As you could see, everything in here, guys. I mean, if you really think about it, this is $8 almost to 13. OTO number 1 is 27, 47, 27. Man, I'm guessing you're looking not even $150. So for everything, I mean, that's really cheap, and you're getting an insane amount of value. So on top of that, what they provided with their bonus and the OTOs here, I actually provided some of my own bonuses as well, thanks to Bill and Spencer here. So Unbreakable is bonus number 1. It's valued at $12.95. This has sold over 2,000 copies, and it's really good. And the reason why it sold that many copies is because it works. Once again, really simple, easy stuff. $130 method, 20-30 minutes a day, 100% unique, perfect for newcomers here. No videos or products required, right? And it's very newbie friendly. So bonus number 2 is Atomic Profits. It's valued at $8.95, and once again, as you can see, it's a recurring theme. 100% newbie friendly, no email list required, no product launch, no video creation, no paid traffic, no tech skills, and you don't need a website there for that. And bonus number 3 is Reactor. It's valued at $12.97. So get all the targeted traffic that you want, and proven converts like crazy, and these profits will go straight into your PayPal account. You'll be shocked when you guys learn some of this stuff, right? So really, really good. Bonus number 4 is the Milk It method, and you're setting up these Milk It campaigns in 20 minutes, really quick and easy stuff. Get fast results within 24 hours. Really, really good, and you'll generate passive income. So make money while you sleep. Who doesn't want that, guys? It's pretty crazy. Bonus number 5 is the Laptop Legacy. And this is really, really important, because this is Bill's exclusive training modules in a private Facebook group. Bill's a really good guy. He's a very successful guy, but most importantly, as you could see here, Bill and Spencer are really good guys. They give everyone a chance. They don't shy or turn anyone else away, right? So when these guys come out with products like this, Laptop Legacy, Milk It Method, Reactor, Atomic Profits Bonus, Unbreakable Bonus, all the stuff they provide here, it's relatively affordable stuff. It's easy to implement. It's not complicated at all. So you're getting an absolute ton of value here. So I highly recommend everything. So it's all valued at $60.77. But to tell you the truth, guys, it is valued way higher than that. This is all an absolute steal. I'm not lying to you. I'm not trying to pull your chain or anything like that. You're getting an insane amount of value for that cheap price. And this stuff will be delivered to you when you purchase through Warrior Plus. I'll have this page here ready for you guys when you buy through my link. And I really want you guys to buy through my link, because when you guys actually purchase this and come into the group, you're going to see that I'm a part of it, and you're going to see it's not a lie. I mean, I do recommend this stuff. It's because I've actually purchased this and put time and effort into this stuff, right? So now I'm going to quickly take you guys to the sales page here. It's pretty funny. You got Bill with a Santa Claus cap on, and once again they go over all the stuff here. Product goes live in 13 hours. See, I'm filming this before it even goes live. I had access to this stuff, so I wanted to put this together. There's some testimonials here from Mark, from Art Flair, from myself, from me, Ronil Raymond Medalliers. See, I'm a newer person to the game. Obviously, I've been in the IM stuff for almost 10 years, but never really took action. I've always worked and did other things, right? So it says here I've spent a ton of money, and I did spend an absolute ton of money on products. And a lot of this stuff, you know, they loaded you up with simple tech stuff. And these guys really did make it easy, and they're putting this out for the holidays, and I really thank them for that. And you got David Kirby as well. All these guys, Art, Mark, and Dave, they're all giving testimonials because this is easy stuff. I mean, people have learned things that are more complicated that have made them less money. So by all means, do check it out. That's Will right there. He's part of the group as well. So I'm super proud of Will. This is his income reports. You know, these are relatively easy amounts, right? Really good amounts, sorry, but easy to do. I'm pretty sure he's not spending too much time on this. And when you start to see profits like this, guys, I mean, it all adds up over time. Take my word for it, right? So once again, going over the sales page, it's going to start at $7.95. You don't need any of this stuff. This is all the stuff that's provided here, and you start generating some of these profits here, right? So I wanted to take you through that sales page. It is 100% risks free. So if you find that it absolutely does not work, you can get a refund for it. So you have peace of mind knowing you're going to try it out. You're not going to get ripped off. These guys are really good people. So once again here, testimonial by all of them, and I'm super proud that he actually put me on there too. So my full name is Roniel, but I go by Ron. Everyone's been calling me Ron my whole life. And once again, the 2 bonuses they have included there, and that's pretty much it for that. So what I wanted to actually do to you guys is I wanted to take you to the actual product after you buy it. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but I'm going to kind of give you guys an insider peek on things here. So here's the members area for Holiday Gold Rush. So there's a quick start guide. So it's a PDF file here. And here I believe Will is going to give you a quick introduction to the PDF file and what to do. Video number 1, you'll find your Gold Rush offer. So this is all going to be on ClickBank. And then you're going to set up your Gold Rush pre-sale page. Video number 3 will give you the keyword list. And then video number 4 is just mining for the keywords that you need for the product that you are going to be promoting. Very important that you guys do that. And then video number 5, set up your campaigns. You see all this stuff is really short. Video number 6, laser targeted free traffic method, right? Video number 7, if you have a little bit of extra cash, I do recommend this, is you'll start to outsource things, meaning getting other people to do it. You'll find that when you become very busy, you're not Superman. Guys, you can't do everything by yourself, and you're going to find probably, later rather than sooner or sooner rather than later, if you get things going, that you will need people to do stuff for you because you do not have the time to do stuff yourself, right? So that's bonus number 1. 3x Gold Rush commissions. Bonus number 2, additional Gold Rush traffic source. And that's pretty much it in that sense. So out of respect, obviously, I'm not going to go into that too much. You guys do have to purchase this. I mean, it's only fair, but I did want to give you a sneak peek back in there, right? So that is my video review of Holiday Gold Rush. This is my beautiful page that I created for you guys for Christmas. Really do hope you guys like it. Now, when you guys go through all this stuff and you do decide to purchase this, which I do strongly recommend, then you guys click on the link that I've provided and buy it through me. So when you're done this video, just click the link below and it'll take you to the sales page, and then you guys can purchase it through me. And I really do hope you guys implement this stuff, take action, be persistent, and you will see stuff coming in. Once you put in the initial work, you guys will notice that things will start flowing, and you'll start to see income coming in. And then when you start to see that income coming in, you guys know this works, and it's going to be life-changing. So my name is Ron, and I just wanted to thank you for checking out my Holiday Gold Rush video review, and I do hope you guys purchase it. So have a great day, guys, and have a tremendous holiday season. Take care. Bye.